Okay, cigarettes, smoking. What do you think? This is for research purposes only. All right. In Asia, they have these cigarettes, and if you look closely here, grab one for you. Oh, shit. They have this little bubble here in the filter, and if you're able to pop it, I just pop it. I squeeze by squeezing it here, and it pops. There, like so, you get the flavor that comes out of it. And this one has grape. I have another pack that I thought was lemon, but it's actually banana, which is fucked up. You got banana flavored cigarettes. So think of banana ice cream, that artificial banana flavor, and that's what you're getting inside. All right. So I'm not gonna light this up because remember, like, this is for research purposes. So for the little kids out there, smoking is bad. But in Japan, they've outlawed combustible cigarettes, so there's no more burning. However, they still allow tourists to do it. So you can tell tourists because they're dressed like me. They kind of have hats. They got bags. They're walking around with their heads up, looking at people and making eye contact and weirding everybody out because nobody looks at each other. You know what? Let me see if I can light this fire up. This is for researchers' purposes only. I really don't smoke. Okay, so first impressions, or second or third or fifth impressions. I don't know. These kind of cigarettes that have flavor of fruit or whatever, they're always a baseline of menthol. So there's menthol, and then you have this little popping little capsule that you squeeze. And when you squeeze it, whatever flavor, like I think this one's called purple, but it's grape. And then there's one that's yellow, which is banana. I thought it was actually lemon. And there's peach, apple, and a bunch of them. So I'm thinking that before I leave, I get a carton of these for research purposes. Oh, bad. They're a little stronger than most cigarettes, but at $6 a pack, okay? $6 a pack. I think it's well worth it, to be honest. I mean, for research purposes, it's quite cheap. So maybe at the duty-free store at the airport, I'll score myself one of these for research purposes. You know, that's what she said. That's what she said. Oh, yeah, and smoking it's a heavy smoking culture over here, by the way. Nobody looks at me weird or anything. I'm smoking in the middle of the street. But if you look at the streets, no cigarette butts anywhere. Nothing. Nada. So what I have to do is I have to find little storm grates, or if I see a pile of cigarettes somewhere else in the restaurant district, or if you go outside a hotel or a 7-Eleven, they often sweep it because they sell cigarettes there, and that's their responsibility to clean out in front. There, you rarely find like little like smoke pits where you can put the used cigarette butts in. So I'm gonna have to call this video short. It's starting to rain here, and I'll have this hat and one of my many white V-necks. I don't be stuck here. I'm gonna run into the subway and head back to the hotel. But more stuff to come, more FAQs, and your first trip to Japan and Tokyo will be a blessing if you watch my videos and subscribe. All right, until next time, Hak Tua, peace out.